anything less than 25% accelerator, you ain't a concrete finisher.
Yeah, it's my first time, so I watched YouTube videos last night.
Coming in hot.
And hating. Yeah, fucking people. So we need a couple. Ground is soft, so we made our own steaks. Homemade steaks. Prefer tri-tip, but today I gotta use wood. Economy. That's perfect.
What are you doing? Good morning.
We got the breakfast of champions here today, and it is going to be gummy worms and Tootsie Rolls.
It's concrete time. Let's go.
Be a good day. All right.
So we got 27% accelerator in this concrete. We should be out of here in 10 minutes. If you have anything less than 25% accelerator, you ain't a concrete finisher. Oh, I got you. Well, I'm gonna labor for the stucco guy just because I want to learn how to do it. Doing it.
Yeah, it's my first time, so I watched YouTube videos last night. Learned how to make a baby on YouTube too. Wait, that wasn't YouTube.
Cole here's been on a pretty big commercial job lately, and all he's been pouring is slurry. Slurry is a 1 sack pea gravel mix.
Yeah, well, it could be any sand.
Yeah, I like sand
2
slurry.
sacks, 3 sacks, it could be a bunch.
Are you doing pea gravel mix or are you doing sand?
We're doing this mix, but 1 sack.
1 sack. 8-foot deep footings. We did like 6 feet of slurry in them.
Yeah.
Dude, the pea gravel slurry sucks. The sand slurry is super easy.
Sand slurry is way easy. Yeah.
Sand slurry is so easy. Alright guys, our valley gut is going pretty successfully. TikTok has let us know that we don't know what we're doing. It's too wet, that it's too dry, that it's too rocky, that it's not concrete. Basically everything under the sun. So thanks guys.
Shout out to the live.
Shout out to the live. But no, we have had some really, really great commenting people, and thank you for that. I need a shovel full right here, boys.
2 yards. Oh, 1 yard job. Be closer to the center.
If you're doing
something where you need to float underneath of a step, underneath a 2x6, 2x4, 2x12, whatever. You need to float underneath of it. These are actually designed with this little tongue right here to butt up against it, and that way you're not a float width underneath, you're a trowel width underneath. It's more accurate, it's cleaner, it's easier. You're not scrubbing your ass off afterwards, so glad I can teach you something. Would it be easier to, hey guys, would it be easier to wheelbarrow it right there?
I'm gonna slide this over, see how far.
Oh, good deal, yeah, move that over.
Who needs eardrums?
Nobody.
All right, guys, always make sure you're floating up on your concrete when you're doing a slope. So I'm gonna cut, bring up, cut, bring up. Because if you look right here, I was just using this as an example, it fell down because I didn't cut and bring up. You're gonna have to come back and fill your sides. That's a big rock. But, yep, there you go, there's a little tip. Tip of the day. You want a tip? Look at that tricep. Holy crap. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
All right, Mr. Theo Vaughn, let's go.
Mr. Theo. You know what? I'm leaving that in. It's a little wet. Doing stucco on both sides of the house.
It's good. We're redoing the siding.
Yeah, the siding's getting redone. Yeah, put that all on the bottom. We need stiffer shit up there. It's gonna be way too steep.
Not this one. Coming in hot.
I know, right? Going up the beach.
Why?
Okay. I'll leave this job here soon. I think we need one more wheelbarrow. So. Alrighty. Talk to you later.
Over there, it starts at 0. Over there, it ends at 3. So water will flow down. And I actually have a little puddle of water right here. I'm following down just to make sure it's perfect. And then so water will flow into my catch basin down here. So we got to a spot to where there's good enough slope to run from this in the catch basin off the property. And this is hard work. I mean, look at the ingenuity he's got going on. This is shit you just have to think about on a job. Obviously, construction workers are like, oh, it's obvious. Yeah, but it's not obvious to most people. This is just a free-formed edge over here just because rock's covering 100% of this area. So I'm just pushing up against the foundation, making sure we have it behind our drains so there's no gaps in the concrete. Just tedious. You're commentating, kill us.
Insert clip about the disposable wheelbarrow. This guy made us 20 million views of me saying a disposable wheelbarrow. That's why it... All right, we are a haircut leader and an estimate leader, finishing this off. $6:43 now.
Oof.
being experts and hating and hating and hating. I hope those guys are in here right now to see.
Just a little bit of an overflow.
A little bit. No, yeah, it came out clean. Let's watch it. Because the valley starts over there, right there. Ooh, it's exciting. Go water, go, go, go. Yeah, baby. I love it when a plan comes together. Come on.
There's actually a drain underneath too, guys.
Come on. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Booyah, baby. Come on, get there. Get there.
And booyah.